Okay, so let's write the structure of the peptide Walter, Walter, with a total of 6 amino acid residues, right? So if it's 6 amino acid residues, then we are going to have 18 strokes, 3 strokes for each amino acid residue. So that let's start from here, give a little bit of space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So we have 18 strokes. First of all, we identify the N-terminus, and we go from there. So N-terminus, we will write NH2, but it's perfectly okay to write NH3+, which is the fully protonate form of the peptide, right? So the first amino acid residue that we have here, tryptophan, so CH2, C, double bond C, another double bond C here, nitrogen there, and then we have a benzene ring at this side, C, C, C. All right, so that's the structure of tryptophan. Then from there, we start now have a sequence that's going to be the same, always the same pattern: the carbonyl, the NH, and the side residue of the next amino acid. Okay, so we start with the carbonyl, NH, and the side residue. The next side residue is alanine, so CH3 for alanine. Then the same pattern repeats: double bond O, NH, and the side chain now, that's in this case going to be leucine, so CH2, CH, CH3, CH3. Repeat the pattern: carbonyl, NH, and the side chain, which the next one is threonine, so CHOH, CH3. Repeat the pattern: double bond, carbonyl, NH, and amino acid residue, in this case now, glutamic acid, CH2, CH2, COOH, carbonyl, NH, side chain. Side chain now is arginine. So arginine has 3 methylene, CH2, CH2, CH2. If you run out of space, you can put CH through 3 times. C double bond NH2, single bond NH2. So the charge is in the side that has a double bond, which can be rotated, as you know. So here, carbonyl OH, because this is the C terminus of this peptide. Now, another important issue is know how to highlight a plane where the peptide bond is, to pick up one of them. There are 6 amino acid residues. There are 5 possible planes in here. So let's pick up one of them. So let's pick up this one. And as you recall, the atoms that are in this plane are the carbon and the nitrogen form the peptide bond, and the atoms attached to them, which here we have a total of 4, and we have the alpha carbon after and the after carbon before. So now we highlight here in a way that we can show all these 6 atoms are part of that plane. Let's do that in another place so that we can have also different situations somewhere else. Okay, so let's pick up this one here. This is one of the amide bonds, and again we have to have these two, this alpha carbon and this alpha carbon as part of the same plane. So you can arrange things in here that pass into this place, and to that one, to that one. So that's your plane there. All right.